Today is Thursday, April 27th, 2023, also known as day 75 of the $100 account challenge. So before I go any further, here's my disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. There's a guy on the internet who trades stocks, and I'm simply chronicalizing my trades in an attempt to look back at it by the end of the year and see what I did right and what I did wrong. So if you follow what I do your own due diligence and make sure what you're doing is correct. Let's begin. I see SAI looks like day 2 of it wanting to run. So I'll draw a few lines right quick when I'm watching it and see what it does right here. We're in the third green candle, 15-minute green candle, but the first 5-minute green candle making a new high near the spot 361. Yesterday it closed at 374, so we're not far from yesterday's close. Let me make a watch list. I think CFRX is also somewhere around here, making some moves again, which was traded a couple days ago. Oh yeah, it bottomed out. I traded way back here. I traded last time at 216. Like I had lost on that one, yeah. But it's already above the high. I don't know if I have any news or not. This is when I traded my small account. I couldn't figure it out. I got out. Let's see. Let me look back at it. Opt in here. Didn't sell. I don't know why I didn't sell. I don't know what I did right here. Something must have happened. I don't know why I sold for a loss. Or did I short it? I don't remember. But yeah, this thing is going. We're not far off 250 right now. You have any news? No news today. But yesterday there was news. I had a patent yesterday. Popped up this morning, 6 o'clock. At 140, been going ever since. A couple of pullbacks in it, but that's a 1 million share float. A lot of green candles in a row. So right now, I don't know if it's time to buy it. I want to find a small pullback right here. Remember the price, 242, hard to borrow. So 260 should be the next wall. I'm not even counting 50. It already popped to 246, so next wall 260. And it has a small float. Let me add stocks to my watch list right quick. What we have going on right here? Let's see. EVLO, cheap stock. Second CFRX, not 100% yet, but real close. ATOM. UCAR. MGRX. I was swinging the stock in my small account. I sold it last night. I think I was swinging was it 4? I think I was swinging 4. I sold it last night, so now I got more buying power. That's 5 symbols. Don't like that. TWOU. Arnaz. IMMXAMTI. Let me add to my other account. Okay. So, if I could have got down here fast enough, I could have logged in like 8 o'clock or something like that, or even 8:30. 8:30 is right about here. I could have got that first green candle to make a new high. I wasn't down here at 8:30. And I'd still be in it now. I could have gotten in about 2:18, 2:17. Ran it up for nearly 30 cents. Gonna be more aggressive today, so about 25 of those. Got some buying power. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch for this pullback right here for it to touch my blue line. Then I might hop in and see if we can hop to 250, 260. You go to the first green 1 minute chart, micro pullback. But we're very bullish over here in the 15-minute chart. But back here, we're saying that we may pull back with dark burgundy and dark green. Let me add some stocks here. SAI still moving this morning. Leave that right there. And put CFRX right there. The buy-in coming. EVLO is a cheap stock. Adam. EVLO. ATOM. Everybody's been watching this same stock I'm looking at right here. I was waiting for a pullback up right here to this blue line. It didn't do it. It faked me out. So I may miss my buy-in point of 229. Micro pullback, 1 minute chart. You up 4 or 5 cents right now. We're at the 40, 45. Still going. I don't want to chase it right now. I want to pull back for about 10 to 15 cents before I hop in it. But we're looking at the 15-minute chart. That's a very bullish candle. So it may not come back. Look at that. As I called it out, there it go. 248. 249. might go without me. But one thing about me is I don't have FOMO. I do buy my 30 of them. Oh man, I missed the opportunity. I was looking at it too. Let me light my candle right quick. I want to hop in this blue line right here. I don't want to buy it that far. I just want to touch this blue line. That's like 230 right now. I may not do it. It's currently up 86%, 87%. Yeah, it's still going. 100% not hard to reach. 1.87 million being traded on a 2 million market cap. So any little buyer is gonna run the stock up. Remember though, I said earlier to you a few days ago, did a similar thing. It popped up pre-market, ran up, market open, hit new high, then it just dumped. History of doing that. Maybe when I don't trade, I'm too late to the party. You know about WINT, it's always popping up and popping out. This thing was like 15 bucks something a couple days ago. Yo, look at that. AYTU, not a lot of volume news, huh? I could have opted in back here at 240 or so. I'll be up 7 to 8 cents. Yeah, it's 250 right now. 251 actually. I said the wall was 260, which is right there. Just won't pull back from my buy-in. I don't want to buy in way up there. Now from here, this blue line I'm looking to buy in at the top of this candle. It's a 20-cent gap. It's a small micro pullback. Let me watch for this pullback here. We 902. Nothing else. We have 10 million shares being traded pre-market. More than what it did a couple days ago. Must be some news coming. So I'm gonna pull back. I'm gonna hop in this next pullback. First pattern was last night. Let me see. 46. EXT. Touch my EXT. Da, 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 da. EVLO. It's 19 cents. There we go. There go the pullback I was waiting for. Let me see. At 45. Keep pulling back. $0.10 is $3, right? $0.20. 1 minute chart is oversold. It's just 1 or 2 cent pullbacks, man. It's not moving back much. 13% off 100%. It's not far away, for real. Trading 10 million shares almost pre-market. Not many buyers coming in, more sellers than buyers. There's 250, 253. Here come 260. Yep, I'm just watching this point. I think it's oversold, overbought rather. I don't want to buy it yet. If I missed the opportunity on it, so be it. There go 58. Almost 60. I was calling a while ago. First wall. Yeah, I missed the opportunity on that one. But there will always be more opportunities. So at this point, I'm watching for a pullback. I don't want to chase it. I don't want to chase it. 905. It may go 280 and I miss the whole ride. It happens, you know. There it is, 60. There it is. I'm at the wheel sleeping, man. Miss all them buying opportunities. I'm at the wheel sleeping for sure. Could be in back here at 230-ish. Quick 30 cent out the way. But I want to pull back. Let me draw some lines. Me. That's already been there. This is no good no more. I'm going to draw this line right here now. That's a pullback point. This line no good no more. Draw a line right there at 209. Alright. That line still is a high from a few days ago. Opportunity miss. Need to come back around. But no news though. Same thing did 2 days ago. It was phase 1 study. 1B. Meanwhile, WINT popped $2 almost. What was that? I missed it. Pack W, SAI already sitting there. SAI already right here. Pack W. Pack W. It's $11.16 right now. 11.15 to 11.20. There's a dump off right there. So I'll probably hop in the next move. Let me see. Maybe. Late to the party? Maybe. Missed the buy-in. I put it, but I missed it. Pull back a little bit for it. I missed the buy-in. I was looking at it and missed it. Missed the buy-in, didn't I? Yep, might go without me. Let's see. Yep, might go without me. $80 is the next step. Let's see. That's that wall right there I was talking about. That's that wall. $10 days ago. This is wall right here. It's that wall right there. You bust this wall, we got 323 and we got $4. I got in way too late, but it's okay. It's 9:10, so I'm looking at 10% is 26 cents, so I'm gonna put up here 280, 290. That'd be 31 cents. It's not far-fetched, right? 290 isn't far-fetched, but I was way late to the party. I was waiting for the pullback. It wouldn't pull back. It just straight up bullish. It would not pull back. So it forced me to hop in at 20 cents higher than what I originally wanted to get in at. Sometimes stock move without you. But look at the pattern right here. We're on a straight up incline as far as the RSI go. And MACD, we crossed over today, right? Right here today. And straight incline. So everything is saying we going bullish. If you look at the last 180 days, look at this. $4 is not out of the, I don't know how I lost on that one. I still keep saying it to myself. What did I do wrong with that one? I don't remember. What I'm trying to say is this, though. $4 isn't out of reach. You can do that in one day. Look right here. Check this out. You go one day. It was 90 cents. This was $4.17. By the end of the day, it reached a high of $3.92. 3 whole bucks. But pre-market though, it was running like today, same pattern, right? It run up, spike up, run up, spike up, then it blow out. As soon as market open, it pop, and then pop 330, right before market 363. Then it pulled back one candle, then popped again. That was a $4 move right there. So it's not out of the norm over the last 2 weeks or so for this stock right here to do that. All with no news though, which is to me is unusual. But look, all them green candles in a row, and they're large green ones, so they're very heavy buyers. So what I should have did was follow my first mind, hopped in back here at 850, so right here, which over here was right about here, and I logged in. The first candle to make a new high, hopped in it, kept going. Didn't do that. Now we're not quite 100% yet. We're real close though, 96% up. So 100% isn't far-fetched. 100% is actually 264. We hit it right there, 100%. Now next stop, you guessed it, 200%. So that'd be great, right? If I can get a whole $1.30 move off this. Let me go to the group. So currently we're at 265, 266. Up 6 cents, 7 cents so far. Next stop is 280. It's my first maybe out, but I want to get out 290. So I'm gonna let it hold here for a minute, because to me $3 is in reach. So every 10 cents is $3, right? So if I get 30 cents, that give me $9 and some change. So I'm gonna watch it move for a minute. This is the only stock seem to be doing anything. I'm gonna go over here though. So I'm still in right here. So I'm still watching it bottom right, but I want to look at something else as well as I'm trading. They go 270 right there. Be 20 cents away from my point. $3 is in reach. Remember I said earlier to you, if it's a stock you into or looking at, and you can see whole dollar amounts within view, and it's like, how can I put it? And the screen numbers are small, meaning they bunched up every 25 cents. So it's telling you that it's a possibility that it can make large moves at one point in time. 72, 73, see that? So with that being said, next wall is 75, then we got 3. So I'm at 290, in between 275 and 3, which is not far-fetched to see it hitting. There goes 72. So I'm just saying right here that CRX, Hopkins CRX, Now I say this thing has a chance to hit $3. I don't know what number 3 for. I meant $3. Typing too fast. $3. Look at the 10-day and see how it now known. How could now known to pop pre-market and explode at the market opening. So I'm depending on that same history, right? The pop. We at 9:17 a.m. Right now we have Robinhood traders coming in and seeing this stock moving so much, which is up over 100%, which should be a leading gapper right now. Now we're trading 2.62 million share volume. That's per minute, right? On a 2.07 million share market cap. We traded so far a day 12 million shares almost. So it's very active. So, but here's the question I have, or I'm looking at actually. Here's the question. There is no news in this stock, right? Yeah, it's running. Yesterday it had a first patent, phase study. Everybody know by now these phase studies are always going to be big momentum movers. Now what I need now is this 5-minute candle right here to settle or create close above this line right here. If it closes above this line right here, the next candle that comes out will be the $3 move candle. Do short spikes come out. Now of course, if you bought it yesterday at 120, 130, whatever it was, 115, you wake up this morning, you look at your account, and you see all this daggone profit sitting there. So you're going to take a profit. This is the way it is. So right now, I think 1-minute chart you look at, you're going to see people, indecisive candles, right? People taking profit. Now when it's solid red, of course, it's heavy buying. Heavy selling. But if they're indecisive, it's profit taking / buyers coming in. Or we're going to say short sellers and long-term people like myself. So, but 280, 290 is right here coming to view. So I'm not even stressing it. I had to be more aggressive, right? I'm always buying these stocks and shorting myself by selling it too early in my small account because I don't want to blow this account up. But also realize that I can't grow my small account if I don't be more aggressive. I can't keep taking these $1, $2, $3 trades. I have to be more aggressive in this account and take my 20, 30 cent, profit per share, right? Rather than my 10 cent per share, I can really take, honestly, 30 cent per share if I be more patient. Back to my program. So what I was saying was I could have bought him back here. I could have been out here 230, 225, something like that, and I already hit 273, which in this case is 50 cent, right? But it's still going. See that line? My 5-minute candle has made my line support. I was saying a little while ago, I need a 5-minute candle to make this line here support. Let's look over here. See what it did? Right on top, it made a support. That's what I was needed to do the whole time. So now, we're looking very nice for a stair step. Now, yes, I can sell now for 11, 12 cent, 13 cent, right here. But I'm looking to sell right here. Look at my 15-minute candle. Very strong, right? Let's watch this move right quick. I'm gonna stay here and watch it. You know I don't like to look at my dollar amount. It throws me off. So I watch my moves from here. Just my personal preference. I'm already seeing support is already made at that green candle, which was the previous day high. Yes, sir. Man, cause that thing banging. It looks like this 5-minute candle has made support of previous day high. Now, when I say previous day, I don't mean day before. I mean like a couple days maybe. Look back at it. Let's go 5-day, 15-minute. Back here, you see, this was the resistance point. So now it made that candle support, which is 270-ish, right? So now we're looking to be another bullish green candle right here. We got 71. 90 is within reach for sure. All it's going to take is one big buyer. Look at that. You got 12.3 million shares being traded on the day. 1.5 million share float. Common sales. All these buyers coming in. Look at that. So 290 ain't far off for sure. We got 71 still. If I take 80, I'm at 22 cent, right? Let it ride. Be more patient. We at 922. What else popping up? UCAR. See, everything else is trash. So because of that, everyone's mind is focused on this stock right here. If you look at these blogs or these Google traders and so on and so forth, I guarantee you they all looking at the same stock, CFRX. Because the float is small, which we all love, and the volume is high. In order for a stock to move or trade a stock, your first thing is price, of course. How much is it? Which means how many you can buy. Share float, of course, smaller than 20 million. And then your volume. Is it moving right now? Is there any stocks being traded? You don't want to buy a stock with 129,000 shares being traded. It's not very active. You want an active stock because you want to be able to get in and out of it very quickly. So this stock is trading 12 million shares. You can get in and out of it very quickly. See, I keep hovering around 270 over here. It became support. So the candle starts in 1 minute. Gonna stair step it, and now we keep on climbing. Right? Let's watch. We got 20 seconds. Let me zoom in for a minute. Let me give you a real example. Watch this candle coming next gonna be above that, and it should keep on stepping. Market opening, buyers come in, it pop $3. Remember, I'm out of here at 290, right? We got 18 seconds. Let's see what happens with the candle. So next candle should make this area here above, right? So it's gonna be above this previous support line. There it is. See that? This candle is above that line. We need to do it to extend away from it, like this candle here did, or this candle here did. Yeah, one big buyer coming here gonna explode it past all that. You get a little small wick like this. Look at this move. Let me draw this drawing right here. Come on, man, act right. So from here to here was a 26% move. In my case, or we're gonna say 52-cent move. From here, 50 cent move would be 317, which is way above my sell point is at. Well, I'm glad it's making support above that line there, so it's telling me it's very bullish. And look back at my chart, you'll see I'm only up now, I think 8 cents, but we still, these green, long green candles, 15-minute candles are very, very, very bullish. Short term, we got pullback, profit taking. For the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, profit taking. It's okay. It's going to happen. But look at time and sales, profit taking, right? But the buyers are coming in. Now I say again, I'm gonna say it 4 or 5 more times. I could have been in back here at 850 area, and this whole rod right here, I would have been enjoying it. All right, we pulling back now. 61, 62, 63. Heavy profit taking. Remember though, we still at 100%, 98%. And nothing else worth trading. EVLO, not worth trading. UCAR, not worth trading. Hills, not worth trading. Atom, not worth trading. So it's the only stock right now worth trading. Look at UCAR, it's right here. Do we have any news on it? Nope. What's the float on UCAR? UCAR float is 7 million, so it has a pretty small float. It's just not moving as aggressive as this CFRX stock is moving. It's now pulling back a little bit, profit taking on its first 5-minute candle. But if you know by now, you know when market opens, these kind of stocks get a flood of buyers from institutions, and almost always pop it. It may hold it. If it hold, I'm already in, right? But if it doesn't hold it, hey, I'm still gonna hold on because I know you must have profit taking candle. And look what it did. If I ain't touched this candle, so you telling me I had to wait way up here to buy in, which would have been 20 minutes later than when I wanted to buy in, almost 30 minutes later. But the good thing is, you see, it's tapping it, bouncing off, tapping it, bouncing off. It's not going below it. You don't want it to go below it. And the VWAP's right here, it's above the VWAP. I'm still green, right? It's picking up pace. We got 30 seconds left. Let me go over here and watch. Here come the buyers. Reversal. The 1 minute chart coming in. 5 minutes, same reversal. But 15 minutes, also same reversal. But could be a fake out. Let's watch. 10 seconds. 7, 6. Here we go. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. Let's go, buyers. Green candle, green candle. Let's go, buyers. Come on through. We got 70. Blow through 70. 73. We need a new high. There we go. 70, 73, 72. See this big buyers came right here? Pop through that 70. Then hit that 80. Then we hit that 90. It hit 80. Didn't pop that 90 though. It hit 80, didn't it? It sure did. Pop through 80. Pop through 80. There we go. Keep on making higher highs. Pop through it. We still bullish over here. Pop through this 80 right quick and get me out of it. Let's see. Here come a buyer. A big buyer come through, run through that 80. Let me take off my, we're on 80, 83. Let's get out of 83. They don't want to run through it. Do they? Or do they? Let's see. Keep it at 90 right here. 89, 90. It doesn't pop through that. We up 101 right now. 90 is within reach for sure. I'm just waiting for it to pop up there. Being more aggressive, right? Blow through that. Need a long green 15-minute candle right here. Let me go to my chart right quick. If I see anything else to trade my other account. I'm watching it pop through right here. Profit taking is extreme right now. What's this? EVLO, SCPS, cheap, HILS, HILS, HILS. HILS came from nowhere. Yeah. See, his line is still making support, so we gotta pop through this with a green candle. CLSK, MARA, CTXR, HUT, CTXR again. I think I put in already. Wyatt, HUT already there. AMC, BTG, CBD, NWL, TME, JMIA, MJ, WW, FTCH, PTN, SNDL, SIEB, SOUN, TLRY, BCS, TUP, CRON, DHS, HIMS, WW, CFRX, KYTU. I'm gonna put it at 280 because I don't want to move. Let me put 280, don't want to move. It's taking forever. Send it. Here we go. The line right there to bust through. One buyer gonna run through this. There we go. At 83. Bust through 83. I wanted 90, but I'm impatient right now. Two buyers can bust through this. Move it as I can. See it's moving right there? Look at that. 82 at 83, huh? Oh, I tried to move it. I tried to move it. Oh, man, I tried to move it. I couldn't move it fast enough. All good. So, all good. Let me go 5-day, 5 minute. Here's my trade. Could move fast enough. You got 287 right there too. About to be 290. Toying with it too much. Could move fast enough. In 259, out at 282. I think it was. Let me see. Let me go over here. Go over here. 283. Field orders. In at 259, out at 283. $7.20, 30 shares. 90's coming right now. I'm trying to move it. Stay green. 89 right there. Look at that. Look at this. And there's 90 right there. Stay green. Don't be greedy.